Cooking at home more often is a good tip for maintaining a healthy lifestyle and achieving weight loss goals. When you cook at home, you have more control over the ingredients and portion sizes used in your meals. This can help you to make healthier choices and avoid consuming excess calories, saturated fat, sodium, and added sugars found in many restaurant and takeout foods. Additionally, cooking at home also allows you to save money and be more mindful of what you are eating. You can experiment with new ingredients and recipes, as well as have fun with your family and friends. Cooking at home can also be a great way to learn more about nutrition and healthy cooking techniques.